Tips and tricks to managing acid reflux. Having acid reflux disease can wreak havoc on your life, both physically and mentally. However, this is not a condition that you have to suffer from for the rest of your life. Use the tips in the following video to stop acid reflux disease and the negative effects that come with it. Those who are overweight have a higher chance of getting acid reflux than others. This is due to stomach pressure. The excess weight of an overweight person adds more pressure to the stomach, relaxing the muscles of the lower sphincter of the esophagus, creating acid reflux. Fat in the body can also interrupt normal digestion. A little weight loss can go a long way in preventing acid reflux. To sleep well at night and prevent acid reflux, you may want to place a wedge underneath the mattress in order to keep your head raised. Wood, books or any other object could also be used to raise the mattress on an angle. You can also invest in an electric adjustable bed. When you find you have acid reflux overnight, raise the head of your bed up at least 6 inches. This will keep your esophagus angled downwards, ensuring that acid stays in your stomach and doesn't try to creep back up towards your throat. If 6 inches doesn't help, try 8 instead. Eliminate hot and spicy foods from your diet. These kinds of food increase the amount of acid found in the digestive tract and make the situation worse. If you are able to avoid these foods, you may also be able to avoid the reflux symptoms. As the start of this piece mentioned, your physical and mental health can be greatly affected by acid reflux disease. But, you have the power to stop it from playing a major role on the rest of your life. The above tips can help you get rid of this condition, when used properly. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.